Hey, it's Jason. I'm here in Kennett Square, and I want to give you a project update on this pond that we've been working on for the last few weeks. So over the last few weeks, the team has really been rocking. We've gotten a lot done here, made a lot of headway, such as we got the bridge done. I really like how it came out. This wood material is really gonna blend in with the hot tub. The railings, the black railings, just finish it off really nicely. And I can't wait to see water in this up close to the bottom of the bridge. I'm really happy with how this bridge is moving along. Speaking of water, water's coming here very soon. Today's been a crazy day, getting aquatic plants in, doing a lot of detail work, and getting ready for the water trucks. This has just been a crazy week. The window finally came in, that got installed. We had to make some modifications, so let's go take a look at it. So here I am at the window. Wow, what a monster this thing was to get in. The guys did awesome, and it was a ton of work to get this installed and get it installed properly and get it watertight. It was also more work than it should have been. Sometimes when projects this size especially, mistakes happen. I had told my guys where I wanted the bottom of concrete, and that's where the top of the concrete was supposed to be. And because of that, the pad was a few inches too high. We had to pull this whole pad out. Luckily, it came out in one piece with the excavator. We were able to set it aside. There was a lot of hand digging that went into this to get this down lower, get all the stone in, get this back to level, set the window in, drill holes into the side in order to bolt this in. The frame of this window just pushes against those posts. So it's not like it takes a whole lot because the water is gonna push towards me and push out on this. Chad was out here with his son. He's putting holes in there, working near this glass. And I mean, everything just came out really, really cool. Next, we're gonna get that patio in here, but we are able to get water in the pond first, so we are excited for that. And so this is an exciting day. We got water flowing. Make sure you check back for the final video of this project. If you have any questions, please put it in the comments below. Please remember to like and subscribe. And until next time, keep building your outdoor dreams.